Hey guys, welcome back to Pickney Wisdom. Today I'm going to show you an amazing science trick with the help of science set. First, take a container like this and fill it up with water. Don't fill it too much because it will erupt. Okay? Now be very careful. Add a little food color. Okay? Okay, it should be a red food color. Now add it in the container. Remember to give 2 drops. One and 2. Now mix it finely. Okay, now take a spoon like this and add a bit of citric acid. Okay, 2 scoops each. Okay, 2 scoops means one more. Okay, now this time take it close to your basin and add a bit of baking soda. Okay, be ready, it will erupt. You see? You need a more citric acid. Okay, now fill it with water. Now add a bit of baking soda. Add it here. And citric acid. It is amazing. It's so amazing. Now look. So bye bye my friends. I hope you liked this video. So please subscribe my channel. Bye.